Welcome to the ASP.NET WebForms step-by-step series designed specifically for absolute beginners who want to learn WebForms the right way from the ground up. In this series, you will master key topics like the WebForms page lifecycle, working with the server control, understanding code behind structure, managing state, and accessing data using SQL. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for interviews, or a developer transitioning from other technologies, this series is perfect for you. Each video is hands-on with live code, practical examples, and project-based learning to help you apply what you learn instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this beginner-friendly WebForms series. Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore the built-in login control in ASP.NET WebForms. It is a ready-made solution to authenticate users. No need to manually write login logic. Let us start with the basics. Open your WebForms project and create a new page like login.aspx. From the toolbox, go to the login section and drag the login control onto your page. This adds a login one control which includes username, password fields, and login button. The login one control comes with everything you need. Text boxes for username and password, a remember me checkbox, a button, and client-side validation. It is designed to work automatically with the ASP.NET's membership system. To make the login control work, you need to configure membership. You can do this through the website administration tool in Visual Studio or edit web.config manually. Membership defines where your user credentials are stored, SQL Server or a file. To use SQL Server for storing users, run the ASP NET regsql.exe tool from the Visual Studio command prompt. It sets up all required tables in your database to manage users, roles, and profiles automatically. Once set up, login one takes care of everything. It checks credentials, sets authentication cookies, and redirects the user to the page they were trying to access. No need to write custom code, just configure and go. You can easily change how the login control looks. Use the layout template to rearrange elements and style it using CSS or Bootstrap. Make your login screen match your website's branding. To redirect the user after login, set the destination page URL property. This will override the default behavior and always take the user to a specific page like home.aspx. If your app needs user registration, ASP.NET provides the Create User Wizard control. This works seamlessly with the login control and membership system to create and store new users in the database. To summarize, the built-in login control in WebForms saves time and effort. Just configure the membership provider and drop the control onto your page. You get a fully functional login system without writing a single line of code. In the next session, we will explore how to allow users to register using the Create User Wizard control. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ASP.NET and SQL Academy for more step-by-step videos. The login control is perfect for fast development when you want a ready-made login. It fits well with the classic membership system, but less so for modern OAuth or external providers. If you don't want to use membership, handle the on authenticate event. Here, you can validate username and password manually from any data source. Set e.authenticated to true or false based on validation results. The Remember Me checkbox stores a persistent cookie so users don't have to log in every time. ASP.NET handles this automatically when you use the login control. For forgotten passwords, add the password recovery control. It integrates with the membership to email users a reset link. This enhances your login system with minimal effort. Always secure your login page with HTTPS to protect credentials. Configure your membership provider with Require SSL if possible. Also, enforce strong passwords via membership settings to improve security. If login doesn't work, check your membership settings and database setup first. Use debugging in your event handlers to track problems. Enable detailed errors in your web.config for better diagnostics. The login control raises several events you can handle in code behind. For example, on authenticate lets you customize how credentials are checked. On login error can be used to show custom messages when login fails. You can use these events to add extra logic if needed. Besides login, customize your login page with templates for branding. Use login view control to show different UI for logged in versus guest users. Combine login with role management for full authentication and authorization control. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ASP.NET tutorials. Ask questions or suggest topics in the comments. Thanks for watching ASP NET and SQL Academy.